Hello everyone, and welcome to of today's session of Upskill 2026. Today we're going to be dealing with trading preparatory, something that we ought to do before we start trading, and that will be our major topic for today. And once again, my name is I'll be your instructor for today, and my name is Odeshola Tola Sunday, um, your crypto senpai, and um, this event is hosted by Crypto Fight, a channel for crypto prosperity, and at the same time sponsored by and hosted by OTS computers. So OTS computers deals with sales of computer, repairs of computers, and at the same time building of AI model, website building, and all that stuff. So today is the 6th of Skill 2026, and what we'll be dealing with today um, is most trading preparatory. So some kind of things you ought to do before you start trading. So that's what we'll be discussing today, trading preparatory. So that's what we're going to be talking about. We're going to be discussing today. And it's very important that we do all these things in order to make informed decision at the end of the day. It's very important. So that's what we'll be doing today so that at the end of it you have a successful trading experience and you'll be able to trade profitably without loss. Out there are a lot of people. How it actually works is there are a lot of people, each and everyone want to take the money of the other. Not as if you want to snatch, you understand? But based on your own decision, you are wise enough to say this is what will happen. The other person as well is wise enough to say this is what's going to happen. But at the same time, you two may not align, your decision may not align, your decision may contradict. So once there are contradictory decision, definitely there's going to be profit and there's going to be loss. So that's what we're going to be talking about today. So right now, what are the trading preparatory something that you have to do? First is emotion. So what is emotion? I mean, I don't know how to put it, but let's see what popular opinion I have about emotion. Oh, sorry. Did I say the emotion? Look at me. So emotion. So emotion is defined as strong feeling deriving from one circumstance, mood, or relationship with others. So now, this thing, it obviously affects, you understand, it's a strong feeling deriving from one circumstances, mood, or relationship with others. So these others is not limited to maybe other people. This other can be okay. It had been said there that circumstances, mood, and all those things in relationship with others. These others can be whatever you are dealing with, cannot be only human being as well. Whatever you are dealing with. So, in reference to whatever we are doing here right now, this order, as it is in reference to trading. So our emotion is very important. There is kind of emotion that you have to what you have to process, that you have to process or use while you are coming to this uh, crypto. So now here they say it encompasses range of response to significant internal external events and can manifest in short occurrence like anger or long-lasting disposition like grief. Emotions are complex experiences, are reflex are experiences that reflect personal significance of event and can influence decision making and behavior. So this is where we're coming in. So you say it can cause like anger and all those manifest as short stuff like anger, grief and all those things. It can come as happiness and all those things. So now these are all these things they really affect the way we trade. Take for example, you are trading and you lose. Now you want to turn into anger came in. Like you feel like you do not want to lose, and then anger came in. When anger came in, you want to take revenge. It doesn't happen there like that on crypto space. So you have to deal with all sort of emotion. You have to deal with all those things and throw them away for you to have a very good trading experience. One thing that is very important is when we are coming to trading, you have to come with an informed mind. What do I mean by informed mind? A mind that is made up of what it's going to do. Today, this is the amount I'm going to lose, this is the amount I'm going to gain. Whatever happens, I'm not changing my decision. This is the posture I'm going to maintain. So emotion is very important. And no matter what is happening, be it market is running against you or going in excess, please, you have to make sure it's not affecting your emotion. Your emotion should be like a straight line graph, going straight, not deviating towards profit, not deviating towards loss. In fact, it's going to deviate. It should not deviate. That's the best thing. Sometimes you'll be like, where I'm at profit. Yes, you may be at profit, but believe me, things are things are hard here. Things are somehow. So you just have to be informed and you have to be straight with yourself, strict and straight with yourself. So that is it about emotion. And another thing is psychology. What is psychology? What does it mean? Let's check popular opinion about psychology. Let it not be my own. So psychology is the scientific study of mind and behavior. Its subject matter include behavior of human and non-human, both conscious and unconscious phenomena. So now, scientific study of mind and behavior. So there's this kind of mind that you have to bring while you are trading. Like I've told us the other time, you ought to have made up your mind that you are coming to come and trade, maybe to profit, and then so you have to come with this mind that you've come to profit today, and also have it in this mind that you can lose as well. Because no matter how intelligent or how brave you are, you can always be wrong as well. So you should know that you can always be wrong. And after that one, once you know you can be wrong, that means you have to accommodate loss as well. When you are here for profit, you should be able to accommodate, create space for loss as well because things may not work your way. So how are you going to do this thing so that you not affect your being? So definitely, before you come to market, you have to know, please, this is notes, this is warning before you trade. This is not financial advice or something. It is best the money that you know you can lose, and it should not have some effect on you. The money you can easily use, that's what you use and trade, because you can lose while you're trading. So the money you know you are going to easily lose, that's what you bring for trading. um um so now when you bring this money, what certain percentage of this money that you bring, you know you can be able to afford to lose at that moment. So that's where you stop, that's where you put your risk. In crypto space, we have risk and we have reward. So the higher your risk, the higher your reward, and the lower your risk, the lower your reward. Are we getting what I'm saying? So now, um when you now come to this place, when you come to this place, you have to have that mind that you're going to gain, you are going to lose, and the amount that you can afford to lose, you stipulate it, you put it down. So that's what you use while you are making your analysis. Sorry, when you are making your informed decision. So it's good that you come with this mind, like the psychology. You understand? People that succeed in crypto space, they come with that mind. They know they came to gain. In fact, some they cap their profit, and some it's every one of them they cap their loss. Okay, I can lose 5%, I can lose 10%. It's very important. So that's the mind. We've studied several minds that are successful. We study their behavior. They are always gentle, they are quiet, they come with informed decision, they know what they want and they know what they can afford. What they can afford in the sense that what they can afford to lose, what they want in the sense that what they want to gain. You understand? So they don't gain more than excess and they don't lose more than they could afford. So that's the mindset that is needed in crypto space. So another thing about mindset of crypto space is mindset that is ready to lose. Forget you should be ready to lose. Mindset that will not be reactive, will not be emotional, will not be swayed by the action of the market. So that kind of mindset, no matter what the market is doing, you know what you come for, and that's what you're going to take and go. You understand? The people that are gluten in the market, they are not succeeding. It's only people that will just take a few. The money is there. Let me tell you something. The money is there. It's so big. It's so big. Yeah, believe me. There's enough so that you will not be swayed by whatever is going on. Don't be swayed. All right, now when I mean there's enough money in the market, can you see what is there? Market capital. This is 1.74 trillion. This is 1.74 trillion. Do you know what trillion is? That's 12 figures. That's 12 figures. So it is enough for you. In the 10 figures, it is there for you. You understand? In the 12, in the tens, in the hundreds, in the thousands, money is there for you to make. You understand? Just that the higher you go, the slimmer it becomes. You're getting what I'm saying? So there's enough money for everybody, but it's only for people with what informed decision. It's very important that I take you through this thing. What I'm doing here is not rubbish. I know what I'm saying. This thing costs me money. It costs me money. There are some lessons you'll be taught me, not like all this person says doesn't make sense. But at the end of the day, you learn it as hard. So I learned it. All these things I'm telling you now, I learned it with money. They are costly. I learned it through mistake. They are very costly. So I'm giving it. So you please make sure you make use of it. It's up to you. So now you make sure you are not going to be swayed by whatever is going, maybe profit in excess or the loss. You'll be able to cut your loss and you'll be able to take your profit. Money is there every day. Money is there. If you can make 100 today, tomorrow make another 100. By next month, if it's 1,000 that you can maybe be able to make, you make your 1,000 and go. So the money is always there. Let not be a glutton. So that's the psychology that you take a bit and leave the rest for the rest. So they still fight for it and leave it for you to come and take, or they can take their portion and leave. So that's it. That's the psychology. That's the mindset that you have to know. That you should be able to be ready to give to other, and then there's enough for you to take once you take the proper decision. That is it about psychology. And study has shown that people that succeed, that's how they behave in this crypto space. That's the psychology. That's how they behave. So now we are done with psychology. We are done with emotion. In emotion, we know that okay, we will not be swayed by all these things. In psychology, we know we come with a rigid mind. So in emotion, we know react. In psychology, we come with rigid mind. We know the mind that is successful in this crypto space and all this. So another thing that is important is analysis. So analysis, and there are two type of analysis. Um, sorry for my background noise. their analysis on so part of their analysis, their fundamental analysis and fundamental analysis. So there's fundamental analysis and then there's a technical analysis. So fundamental analysis has to do with you studying the market, you checking all these cryptocurrency, whatever they're doing, news about all these assets. Oh, are people buying them? Are people selling them? Oh, people in charge. What's the new something? What's the wave about? Are we getting what I'm saying? So those are fundamental analysis. Oh, what's the new about Pi? What are they going to build? What are they trying to build about Pi? What are those? So those are fundamental analysis. Oh, where's the next Bitcoin analysis? Bitcoin halving and all those things. Those are fundamental analysis. This has to do with the company, the people, the decision they are taking, and all those things. Those are fundamental analysis. And then there's technical analysis as well. Let me show you. There's technical analysis. So technical analysis, these are okay, yeah, it says technical analysis is the method used to evaluate investment by analysis and analyzing statistical trend from trading activity. So just have this at the back of your mind. Fundamental analysis has to do with news and all those basic information about an asset or a project. Why technical has to do with trading. Are you getting what I'm saying? Trading. You know, when decisions are made before they are traded. So now, after they've been traded, whatever analysis you made from trading, that's technical analysis. Before going into trading, whatever news, whatever analysis that you have, those are fundamental. Are we getting what I'm saying? So they are very important. Both are important to make your informed decision. So most of these things that you see here, all this trend and all this thing, some are fundamental, uh, some are technical. You understand? I can decide to show some fundamental and technical analysis. Yeah, if you study the Bitcoin uh, stuff very well, take for example 2007, I think 2018 or there are some informed decision because of then the president like okay this is what we're going to do da. And those things they cause the market to what to pump. So that's 2007. That's fundamental analysis. Along with there are some time, remember it's people trading and all those things. So those are you can make technical analysis out of that one to make your informed decision on trade. Like now, if I have a first-hand information that Bitcoin is going to, I have fundamental information, so I can use that one to take decision and go and short or something. Or something. If I know something big is coming to Bitcoin tomorrow, so those that is a fundamental and the technical uh, analysis. That's for fundamental analysis. And technical analysis is when people are buying, you feel like okay, maybe I believe people are supposed to buy based on chart and all those things. Those decisions are made based on chart, behavior, candle pattern, and all those. So technical analysis is made on that. And there are some instruments, there are different model. There are some that are called RSI, Relative Strength Index, MA, Moving Average, Bollinger, and all those things. So those are different too. Those are different models that are used to make analysis. There's EMA, Exponential Moving Average, and all those things. So those are the things that they use in making uh, technical analysis. So now we've talked about analysis. Much more we'll be discussing them when we start trading, maybe tomorrow. So now I create this formula that emotion, psychology, and analysis equal to informed decision. What do I mean by informed decision? Informed decision is when you know the state of your mind, when you know you are ready to be responsible for whatever action that you're going to be taking, you know you've studied the mind of successful people and so trading view. Let's see what they have here. I think I'm having network problem. So here you can see now BlackRock featured Bitcoin ETF as a top 2025 investment. So this is enough to make the price of a Bitcoin maybe boost for some reason or the other. So this is with this news now, you can analyze, you can make fundamental analysis and then use it to make informed decision. So you see this BlackRock stuff like that. Another one, BlackRock 108 million Bitcoin deposit on Coinbase. You can see all this. That shows appreciation that people are what uh, are happy about Bitcoin and then are accepting it. So yeah, you can see community sentiment as well. Um, 81% of people are bullish. They say bullish mean the Bitcoin is going to what? The price is going to increase. It's going to be appreciating over time. 90% are bearish. So it's very important. This 81%, what's their asset value is very important as well. This 19, what's their asset value? What's their power in market? They are very important as well. Information is shown here, but it's not complete. So that is it. You see, Bitcoin hash rate drop signal potential BTC price bottom. So this one too has a potential to affect the price of BTC as well. Bitcoin hash rate drop, signal potential BTC price bottom. So someone is faced like maybe price of BTC may go down a bit due to hash rate dropping. So now I think I guess it right. So when you are done making all those decisions, so this is one place that you can make your fundamental analysis with this new, with this chart, all the sentiment and all those things. Another one is trading view. So let's see trading view. Here on TradingView, you have a lot of traders around the world. They give you information, not on crypto only, information that could possibly affect crypto as well. It will be shown here. Crypto and information, potential information that could possibly affect crypto from all other spaces or sphere. So they are always shown on TradingView. So you make your fundamental analysis. And as well, you can make your technical analysis too. So yeah, this is trading view. You can get the Android app as well. You can see market crypto. Let me select crypto. So overview. So Bitcoin channel, no one talk about New Year. So you can see people making analysis. This is what's going to happen. So you can learn from others as well. So you can see their sentiment. Oh, it's going to go down. It's going to go up. And all those things. Yeah. So all these things you can use it and make your what informed decision. So this is trading view. When you study it properly, maybe sometime we take our time to dive deep and very deep into decision making about this thing. um but meanwhile there are a lot of decisions why they come with time, so you may not necessarily be able to, they come with time. So except they come with time, and those time they are event specific. Sorry, they come with event, and those events are time specific. We may not know the time they're going to happen. So, but once it happen with time, once we are together, we know how to use each and every our benefit. So now that is it. When you're done with emotion psychology and then you're done with your analysis, technical and then fundamental as well, then you come with informed decision. You make up your mind, okay, this is the amount I'm going to try and put into the market. This is the profit I'm trying to gain for today, and this is the amount that I can possibly want to lose. Are you getting what I'm saying? Okay, take for example, let's say you're bringing $100 into the market. Like, okay, well, I can afford to lose $5. I can afford to lose $10. Oh, what about my profit? I believe $10 or $20 is okay. No matter what's happening, you stick with that 10 or $20. No matter what's happening, that $5 loss, that's what you're going to stick with. You're going to set your stop loss to that. So that's informed decision such that when event turn around or it doesn't work the way you think, you've been guided on both sides. When it's in profit for you, you've been guided. When it's at loss for you, you've been guided as well. So that's why I call informed decision. So that at the end of your trading experience, you go back to your normal life. You won't go about losing the whole of the money. You go about your normal life and then everything will be okay. Maybe it's you lose or you gain. You go about your normal life knowing that whatever happen in the market will not affect your normal life. So trading preparatory is a way to maintain your life even without market affecting it. It's just that's it. So you guide yourself, you shield yourself as you go into the market. No matter what they are throwing in the market, it will not affect you. So you go on to gain something or to lose something, and then you come back and go back to your normal life. So, but usually when you make this, when you do the trading preparatory and you take informed decision, you are likely to gain. I'm pretty sure about it. You are likely to gain. You are likely to gain. Believe me, you are more likely to gain, not to lose. To lose is just to be prepared for the unseen. So it's very important. So that is it about informed decision. Today I want us to uh, maybe we go. I want us to discuss about the chart, the trading interface. But let's make it as simple as this, like we are seeing right here, and we can possibly see right here as well. So usually every chart, something they have in common, and something that you always have to work with. The chart is just two-dimensional. The chart are always two-dimensional. They are not three-dimensional charts already. Well, we can say they are three-dimensional in two, whatever. In fact, they are not three-dimensional already. They are just two-dimensional charts. So on the horizontal axis, on the floor like this, left to right, you have your time. Like you can see here on my BTC chart, we have from 2012. Let me check the date again. I don't know what date is this. Maybe 2009 or stuff. It's not showing here. Okay, you can see 2010, far back as 2010, up to 2025. This place that we have today. You get what I'm saying? So this is time. The horizontal, the left to right is time. So by this so time, you know what is happening at that time. And on the vertical axis, on the y-axis, from up to down or from down to up, from top bottom or bottom top, we have the price. That's why you can see here we have 0k, 25k, 50k, 75k, 100k, and 125k. While here we have to 2012, 2014, 2016, 18, 2020, 2022, 24. So now those are time. Those are time. Time against price. That's what every chart has. So sometimes people are like, okay, by this time last year, this is what happened. So I believe this was going to happen to this year. So people take their decision. So some people be like, okay, let me check for last halving. Some people be like, okay, last halving, this is what happened. Bitcoin halving. So this is 2024. That means the last 4 years. Okay. Sorry, let me go back to. So now some people be like, okay, last halving, this is what happened, and I believe the next halving, this is what's going to happen as well. So it's very important that after all this thing, that we make our decision and come into this everyone. Okay, so with the halving, so some people be like, okay, by so time, this is what happened. So what is halving? Let's use that one to make a fundamental analysis. So halving is what is an event that occur approximately every 4 years, reducing reward for mining new block by 50%. So popular concept is that mining reward reduce every 4 years. So and the popular concept is that the price will increase after halving. So let's see if this is true. So far, the last halving is in 2024. You can see February 2024. What time is it in 2024? April 2024. So prior the halving, let's see the market behavior. You can see 2023, February, the market is sold down. By April, by March, the market is up because everybody believe after halving the price will go up. So people were bullish about it. Though there's a downtrend, but later on what? The price actually go up. So 2024 minus 4 years, that would be 2022. Let's see what happened in 2022. That would be April 2022 as well. Sorry, April 2020. You can see in April 2020, prior to that, market was down a bit, but later went up. You understand? You see, if you check properly, so market was down a bit, but later it went up, and after it went up again. So before having, there may be a downtrend. I think that's what we call hot season and stuff like that. So there may be downtrend, but before halving, market will go up again. So that's what always happen. That's 2020. What about 2016? And there's no significant data here in 2016. But I believe the market should, you see, before market 392, and after halving, the market climb up. So the market, that's the popular concept, and that's the popular belief. So before the next halving, the market will be down a bit. Then after the halving, the market will what? Will go up. So that's one popular concept now. So what I'm saying, the chart. So and that's one analysis that you can make from the chart. Why the chart is very important. So you use it and make informed decision. So now towards 2028, maybe January 2028, you'll be bullish that Bitcoin will go up. So after 2028, by July, Bitcoin might have gone up past $200,000, and then you'll be at profit. So, but before that time, the market may be down and it should be seems as if you're losing. So it's very important that you take informed decision. So now we've seen it, that's chart is very important. All technical analysis model, they work with time and then the price. And at the same time, one other thing they work with is what? It's just time and price. It's just time and price. The amount of, you understand, relative to certain time and all those things, amount relative to other time, the amount relative to certain amount at so time and data and buying and selling data. You understand? Time and prices, that's what they deal with. Those are trades. So that is it for today, everyone. And I believe we've learned one thing or the other. We've talked about trading preparatory. While trading preparatory, they are things that we ought to do so that we have a very good trading experience. And trading preparatory is something that help you to trade and come into crypto space without your proper your normal life being affected. Yes. So, and what are the things that you ought to do while preparing for trading? One, we have emotion. You have to be emotionally stable. And then psychology. Psychology is the kind of mindset you ought to have while you are coming to trade. People have been studied what is the kind of mindset that they bring. So the mindset they bring is what is to minimize their loss and to be satisfied and to have a goal, specific goal, a short term or long term goal set. Some people they may come in with this psychology of that, okay, I'm trading for the next 1 week. Some people like, okay, for the next 1 year, that's when I'm going to trade for. This trade I'm going to open is going to be for so time. You have people that are trading for as long as the last 5 years, they are still active on that trade. That's the psychology. So we have other people, they lose as well, and their loss is cut. Their loss is minimized because they this psychology that they can't lose more than 5%. So emotion, some people they are so rigid that they cannot be swayed by whatever circumstance or any wave that is blowing in the market. And the last one is analysis. And what do we need with analysis? Analysis is what the their decision, their information gotten from news, price, market action, and all those things about crypto, so that we can use it and make the informed decision in our trading. So, what is informed decision? Informed decision is a decision trading taken after you've prepared yourself for trading experience, so that you not lose or so that you not lose some time or you minimize your loss. So informed decision, they are decision taken so that you will not be affected after your trading, so that your trading will not affect your daily life or trading will minimize your loss and all those things. So when you take informed decision, you take responsibility for whatever you are doing in the market. So when you take informed decision, whatever the outcome is, you will be happy with it and your life continue. You will not blame other people for your loss and all those things. So informed decision help you to make profit. Informed decision may help you to stay out of trouble. So informed decision is not something you make like, okay, I'm ready to trade and that. No, informed decision covers emotion stability, embracing psychology, embracing mindset of profit and all those things, and then doing analysis, both technical and fundamental. So EPA equal to what? Informed decision. So and we talked about trading interface. Basically, it's time against. I'm a crypto enthusiast, and at the same time, I'm a prompt engineer. So one other thing, this program is sponsored by OTS Computer as well. So OTS Computer sells computer, and at the same time they build and develop AI model. So in the later session, OTS will be coming in integrating our AI into the crypto space so that trading will be effortless and then will be successful and all those things. So that is it, guys, for today. Again, this is your crypto senpai, and I believe we're going to be seeing tomorrow for the next part. So it's very important that we deal with trading first because that's the foundation and that's the necessary something that we're going to build AI upon. So thank you everyone, and make sure you like and subscribe. So whatever it is, please make sure you drop your comment in the comment section. Thank you everyone, and see you tomorrow.